We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. An ancient Indian proverb, which has truly lost its significance in this world. Our ever-growing wants requires electricity, gained from both renewable and non-renewable sources, most prominent being fossil fuels. But I'm not here to fuss on about using renewable sources for a clean, green future. On the contrary, I rather consider renewable sources not fit for mainstream use due to their reliability. Thus, I'm here to propose a unique, innovative source of energy, which would not only revive our depleting source of coal, fossil fuel, and petroleum, but rather reverse global warming. It's an out-of-the-world solution, literally. You see, our own little lunar rock called the Moon holds 1,100,000 metric tons of helium-3 on its surface, which is a light, non-radioactive isotope of helium with 2 protons and 1 neutron. How? Well, the sun's solar wind emits this isotope, which unfortunately or fortunately does not land on the Earth due to our strong magnetic field. But the moon's weak magnetic field allows this isotope to establish on its surface. This very isotope can be brought back to Earth, but it's not such an easy task to tackle, for machines would have to process million tons of lunar soil in order to get 70 tons of helium-3. But our problem is not of bringing this isotope back to Earth. It's about how to gain energy from it. Up till now, we've all been accustomed to fission reactors, which cause the splitting of large atoms into 2 or more smaller ones, which takes place through nuclear uranium fuel. But in the case of helium-3, collectively the world would have to create a fusion reactor, which would allow helium-3 to fuse with deuterium to produce the needed energy. Helium-3 can produce that clean energy with no waste and no radiation. It can power our Earth for at least 1,000 years, if not more. Helium-3 could decrease the world's pollution level, reverse global warming, and it's just so abundant on the Moon that the world would not need to fund its energy from non-renewable sources. Helium-3 is our answer. If New Zealand were to initiate this action, and from the help of investors, countries, gain helium-3, the revenue generated would be unsurpassable, with helium-3 having a market value of $4.5 billion per ton. The innovative strategy and idea is not only made for the benefit of New Zealand, but I rather consider this idea to be implemented globally. It can provide stable energy, be a source of income, and prevent serious world conditions. The potential of helium-3 outweighs any debate to continue mining fossil fuel for energy. Thank you, and this has only been a short glimpse to what I can potentially present at the symposium, if given a chance, and I believe that through Eureka, I can gain that platform to create this change, and at the same time be an entrepreneur to initiate this action. So thank you for watching.